Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use auto-arima, an automated version of the arima, auto-regressive integrated moving average, model, in Python. Auto-arima is a powerful tool for time series forecasting as it automatically selects the optimal parameters for the arima model. Auto-arima is a statistical model that automatically identifies the optimal parameters for an arima model, which is widely used in time series forecasting. Arima stands for auto-regressive integrated moving average, and it's a combination of three components: auto-regression, AR, differencing, I, and moving average, MA. Auto-arima performs a grid search over different combinations of these parameters to find the best fit for the given time series data. Before we proceed, let's make sure you have the required libraries installed. You can install them using pip, a package manager for Python. Now, let's see how to use auto-arima in Python with a simple example. In this code, make sure to adapt the code according to your specific dataset and requirements. Auto-arima is a powerful tool for time series forecasting as it automates the process of selecting the optimal parameters for the arima model. In this tutorial, you learned how to use auto-arima in Python to forecast future values of a time series dataset. Experiment with different settings and parameters to get the best results for your own data. ChatGPT.